Oh, nice one. Little pitch shot over water. Hi, this is Brian Bobbitt, Sereno Canyon. I want to show you how this little pitch shot could be made a lot easier for you. I know a lot of you have problems with it. Everyone's trying to get that ball over there. Big key thing when you do this shot, like the chip shot, when that club comes into the ball, that club shaft has to be forward. You see how it's flat to the ground right there? That ball's going to roll up the club face. Most of you are hitting like this here. You're hitting the middle of the ball with the blade, club shaft's behind. So everything I do in this shot, from the setup to hitting the ball, that has to be forward. So I want to make sure my setup here is feet close together, ball position to the right, my weight to the left, almost like you're skiing here. I'm going to lean left, shaft is forward there. Now, this little drill that I'm going to show you is going to help you do this. You've got to make some swings one-handed with the right hand, shaft in front right here, and always keep the same angle between the shaft and my arm. You see that motion right there? If it's a longer shot, you might have to cock the wrists a little bit, but always keeping that in that relationship there. You can practice this without a ball, which probably you should do to avoid that, or actually try it with one hand and hit some shots, keeping that thing in front. Oh, that's a great shot there, one-handed. If you practice this, keeping that hand, keeping the shaft forward there, practice it once a week or so, I know it's going to help that pitching out. That's Brian. I'll see you on the greens.